All right, let's get into it, guys. SoundHound just reported earnings yesterday, and you guys can see it's been quite the roller coaster ride for their stock. It looks like it closed at $9.20 yesterday. Earnings came out, it popped to 10.77. That was a 17% move. And look, we gave it all back. SoundHound gave it all back, and now we're back pretty much to 920, 930, 940, that range. So this is going to be interesting. I'm filming this video at 9:10 a.m. on the East Coast. As of now, obviously it's the pre-market. We're actually maintaining 920 as support. We held that yesterday for the most part. Yes, we did dump to 910 right here. You guys see it. But other than that, we held it at close. Now it's attempting to hold it again. Is SoundHound getting ready for a big move at open? That's the million-dollar question. But, guys, the second it slips through, if it slips through 920, which it hasn't done yet now, but if it does that at open later in the day, this could be going for the 8s again, 850, which was the low from, let's see here, where were we at? Or when was that? Was that on Tuesday or whatever? I don't know. $8.50 right here. You guys can see either way. Yeah, that was on Tuesday. That's where we could be going. So let me read you the headline numbers very quickly. Where are we at? Then we'll go into the actual earnings release in a second. So adjusted EPS came in at a loss of 5 cents. That beat the loss of 10 cents expected. And it looks like here sales $34.54 million versus $33.69 million. So looks like a double beat on SoundHound. Excuse me, guys. Looks like full year 25 sales guidance. They're looking at $155 to $175 million. Looks like that's versus the $165 expected. So very good guidance there. Pretty good, man. Wow, for the full year 25. And let's see, anything else worth mentioning? CEO calls NVIDIA news sell-off an overreaction. Okay, according to Barron's.com. Looks like SoundHound doesn't foresee impacts from Trump tariffs. I would hope so, right? I mean, that'd be ideal for them, but we'll see, right? Let's see what else here, guys. CEO calls NVIDIA, blah, 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 overreaction. So looks like company forays into energy sector with 7-figure deal. Wait, SoundHound says Polaris speech recognition model outperforms Google, OpenAI company for, yeah, okay, interesting. So overall, guys, on the charts, it all comes down to 920. That level is huge. Do we bounce off of it? Right? We are oversold. We are very oversold at this point. Or, man, if we flush through there, this could be a nice short play, down to 850, puts maybe, I don't know, whatever you guys want to do, trade at your own risk. But that's kind of what I'm seeing on the charts in the very short term. On the 4-hour chart, I mean, you guys see death cross in full effect. Once we fell through 1250, this thing has been collapsing, and now we're pretty much, I mean, we're back in the single digits. And the question is, will it get worse or will we get back to double digits first? I don't know. What do you guys think? But let me pull up this, let's see here, this actual earnings release from the investor relations page, which, guys, this is public info. Obviously, you can just pop this into Google, and whenever a company releases earnings, all you got to put in is said company and investor relations, and then go to their news tab, and you'll see all the numbers there. So fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA was, it looks like they lost $16.8 million. Okay. Full year revenue was $84.7 million, an increase of 85% year over year. Full year GAAP gross margin was 48.9%. Non-GAAP was 58.5%. Full year adjusted EBITDA loss of $62 million. Roughly, right? And SoundHound's year-end stock price increase resulted, they're saying here, in an increase in its fair value of contingent liability, significantly impacting both fourth quarter and full year GAAP net loss and EPS. The fluctuation is non-operating and non-cash in nature and is calculated based on mark-to-market fair value accounting standards. Okay, let's come down here. Customer momentum, business highlights here, guys. In restaurants, they're working with over 30% of the top 20 quick service restaurant brands and continuing to expand across renowned restaurant brands, including Burger King. You guys see right here, Church's Texas Chicken, which I've never tried, but that place does look very good. Pete's Coffee. Let's see here. Torchy's Tacos and Whataburger, guys, among others. And in healthcare, new partners include Duke Health, Wellstar Health System, Englewood Health, right? In automotive, we got Lucid Motors and TOG. In retail, companies like Planet Fitness, My Gym, among others. In energy, let's see here. Who do we have here? In the U.S., they have a wide-ranging portfolio of customers. I guess they're not going to list them out here. But either way, interesting stuff here, guys. We talked about the guidance before. I don't think they expanded on the guidance in this earnings release. But here we have all the financial statements, which I don't feel like going through all these now, to be honest with you guys. This I'll leave up to you. I don't want to bore you with this stuff. But, you know, the company's growing. Yes, they're losing. Yeah, they're losing way more money this year than last year, right? The company's growing on the top line, though. We can see they almost doubled up revenue-wise from $45 million last year to $85 million this year. It's about an 85% pop in the same quarter year over year. Very, very good there. Let's see, cash flows. I mean, yeah, they have negative cash flow. Right, our net cash used in operating activities, net change in cash and cash equivalents year over year, that went down a little bit. You guys see right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we don't actually wait. There's more. There's more. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't want to bore you with this stuff, guys. If you want to dive into the nitty gritty, you got to go and dig in yourselves here. And I don't know. I mean, you could still argue this stock is overvalued, and the fact that Nvidia sold out is a little bit of a red flag. So I'm personally not in it right now, but it's still interesting to track it. The company's still obviously growing like crazy. We just saw, I mean, they're growing close to, actually, wait, I think they did grow revenue 100% year over year. Or no, it was 85%, but I think I saw, what was I reading on Thinkorswim earlier? Let me actually pull this up. I saw something that said 100%, or maybe I read it wrong. I might have read it wrong. No, their fourth quarter revenue, there we go, was up 100%, 101% to be exact, exceeding $34.5 million. So pretty good numbers out of SoundHound, guys. But I don't know. Was it already vastly priced in? I mean, we went to $25. Now we're at $9. Obviously, it was a bit frothy at $25, right? Now the question is, at $9, is it still a bit frothy? Does it need some more downside? And I think we'll get the answer to that question, at least in the short term on the charts, today, I think, right? And I'm telling you, man, 850, that could be the next target. Then if that were to break, we'll see where it goes from there. But overall, guys, I'll leave it at that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Man, I got to get some liquids in me here, guys. It's 9:15 a.m. I didn't drink much water today. That's a big problem I make. If I make videos in the morning, I gotta be mindful of chugging water before, because yeah, clearly my voice cracks a lot, guys. And I don't really edit these videos, but whatever. Yeah, hit the like button. Yeah, do what you got to do there. Make sure to subscribe. And if you want some free stocks from Moo, hey, check out that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. Guess what? You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. So use that link down below. The clock's ticking, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Here's the water. I'm going to chug it after this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.